I'm Rick Gessler, VP of Engineering for Delkor Systems. Delkor is a leading manufacturer of advanced robotic packaging machinery across many industries, and Delkor puts more equipment into the meat and poultry category than any other industry. Developed for the most demanding of plant environments, Delkor has designed a complete lineup of sanitary washdown compliant equipment. Whether your need is for a simple case erector or a complete packaging system to take your product from thermoformer or bagger discharge to finished pallet, Delkor's lineup of advanced robotic packaging machinery has you covered. To highlight some of the features of our sanitary washdown compliant machinery, we've incorporated a tubeless open channel stainless steel frame design, IP69K rated electrical components, and full stainless steel motors and gearboxes. We've eliminated aluminum and other materials that could possibly corrode during aggressive washdown cycles. We offer an available overhead washdown canopy that keeps contaminants from dripping or spilling into cartons or cases during the loading process. The machinery is designed to eliminate areas that harbor bacteria by utilizing slanted surfaces and standoffs to enable safe and efficient sanitation. When you're ready to find a solution for your cold, damp, wet, and caustic washdown environment, Delkor stands ready to assist. To learn more and schedule a tour of our campus, contact Dan Altman, Delkor's VP of Sales at 763-234-8058. Thank you.